SSD upgrade on HP 14 BS077TX laptop. Thank you to Sir Joel for trusting PTTIT Solutions. Unscrewing the back cover, removing the optical drive, carefully opening the cover. Yeah, upgrading to an SSD on old laptops can be highly beneficial and worth the investment. SSDs offer significant performance improvements over traditional hard disk drives HDDs, including faster boot times, quicker application loading, and overall snappier system responsiveness. This upgrade to breathe new life into older laptops, making them feel much faster and more enjoyable to use for everyday tasks and productivity. Additionally, SSDs are more durable and energy efficient than HDFS, resulting in improved reliability and longer battery life for laptops. Overall, the performance boost and longevity gained from upgrading to an SSD make it a worthwhile investment for old laptops. When choosing the right SSD capacity for your laptop, consider your storage needs, budget, usage patterns, and future growth. For basic users, 250 gigabytes to 500 gigabytes SSDs are sufficient, while moderate users may opt for 500 gigabytes to 1 terabyte SSDs. Power users or gamers may require 1 terabyte or larger SSDs. Choose the capacity that balances your requirements and budget while allowing room for future expansion. SSD upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.